Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mack. In this video, we're taking you behind the scenes and we're going to show you how we build the toughest belts in the world and some of the American machines to help us get the job done. This is the youngest machine in the crew. This is a 1984 automatic screw machine. This is what we build our front rail with. Check it out. At Macks Belts, the side rails for our buckles are blanked out on this 1950s Brown & Sharp automatic screw machine. Check it out. Brown & Sharp horizontal milling machine is what we use to slot our American-made screws with. Check it out. So this 1962 automatic screw machine was at one point getting sent to the scrapyard. At Macks Belts, we put it back to work, this time building screw posts for the toughest belt in the world. Check it out. If you guys want to support a 100% American-made company that puts veterans and vintage machines back to work, then head to macksbelts.com and gear up with the toughest on earth. We look forward to earning your business. Thank you.